Website without visitor is just like ship lost in horizon. Unfortunately, many business owners build their website expecting that it would be flooded with leads or sales. Like many things in our life, it is not that much simple. There are many things that contribute towards the development and designing of website. All websites are not same. It depends upon your requirement and nature of your business, especially the kind of service and product you want to sell. If your website is expecting very little or no traffic, here are the possibilities that you are doing these things wrong. Your website lacks SEO. Suppose you have a wonderful website, but it doesn't have SEO. Nobody is going to see it. Many websites are not SEO optimal, which means when someone will search about the product or services in which you are dealing, your website will not be available in the list. It is just because your website is not built keeping in mind SEO. Website optimization requires skilled writing, designing, technical know-how, etc., which includes keywords, phrases, coding, etc. It ensures that your website is listed among various search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing, etc. Your website has low quality content or images. Low quality content or images lead to drop in ranking. Always use high quality images for your website, as first impression is last impression. Don't compromise with it. How to identify low quality content pages? A page is low quality if the content is not unique or original. It is not from the relevant or authentic sources. Your page is not answering the visitor queries properly. Language is too tough. There are too many grammatical errors. Word count is too low with lots of boilerplate content. Your website is not mobile friendly. Over the past couple of years, search engines have made it essential that your website should be mobile friendly. If your website is not working smoothly on mobile, smartphones or tablets, you are less likely to appear in mobile searches. If you want to check if your website is mobile friendly, you can use Google's free mobile friendly test. There are technical issues. A good designed website is appealing and relevant in terms of visual and written content, but it should work properly also. Poorly designed website may have these issues. Forms that are not generating leads at all, or not clickable, call to action. You have slow page load time. If your website is taking too much time to load, then you have a problem. It can be very frustrating for a visitor who won't stick around if they have to wait. It means you have to keep your website running smoothly to have good results. There are the many reasons why your website is running slowly. Bad web building software. Images are not optimized properly. Low quality web hosting. Too many add-ons or plugins. Unnecessary functionality or coding. All these lead to slow functioning. Take your time to find the right person for your website. Don't hire anyone just on the basis of price only. There are so many factors like quality, commitment, etc. that you should also consider. Have you faced any of these problems or any other problem that gave you headache while dealing with your website? I would like to hear your thoughts in the comment section.